I am going to show you shortcuts in Microsoft Word. So before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell for you to be the first to watch my videos and any video I upload. So let's get started. First shortcut, Alt or F10 to select the activated tab and to activate access keys. So let me press Alt or F10. It is really easy to open certain options or tabs if access keys are activated. There are separate access keys for tab or option. As you can see, for home it is H, for insert it is N. Let me press H and you can see some numbers and some letters for some options. If you use this method, you can complete your work faster. So, next shortcut. Second shortcut, F10, then left or right arrow. So let me press F10. Now I am pressing left or right arrow. You can use this method or press F10 or Alt, then press the number associated with the tab. So let me show you this way. If you press F10, as you can see, now I want to go to mailings. So it is M. So if you press M, this tab is selected. So next shortcut. Third shortcut, Ctrl plus F1 to show or not to show ribbon. So let me press Ctrl plus F1. As you can see, the ribbon disappeared when you press Ctrl plus F1, and you can make ribbon appear also with Ctrl plus F1. Let me press again Ctrl plus F1. As you can see, it appeared again. So next shortcut. Fourth shortcut, Ctrl plus N to make a new document. So let me press Ctrl plus N. So you can see the new document appeared. If you use this shortcut, it is much faster to create a document. So next shortcut. Fifth shortcut, Ctrl plus O to open a saved document. So let me press Ctrl plus O. So if I go to documents and let me make it little. So I am opening a Word document called About Mahatma Gandhi. So the Word document opened up. This is used to open a document faster. So next shortcut, Ctrl plus W to close a document. So let me press Ctrl plus W. Closes the current document. But please note, the window does not close. The document closes. This is an important note. So next shortcut. Ctrl plus S to save a document. So let me type something. Okay, let me save this document. Ctrl plus S. So this document is saved. Because I already saved it and gave it a name, the dialog box didn't appear. This is used to save your document fast and to save time. So next shortcut, 8th shortcut, Ctrl plus F to find text, formatting and special items. So if I press Ctrl plus F, the find and replace dialog box appears. So if I search lion and if I click find next, lion would be highlighted. So this is really helpful in a huge document to find words. So next shortcut, Ctrl plus H to replace text, formatting and special item. So let me press Ctrl plus H. So it is forest. I'm going to replace it with, let's say, door. Let's replace. Okay, so it has been replaced. The answer for how it is helpful is here. You can replace words faster and not waste any time. So next shortcut, last shortcut for today, Ctrl plus P to print a document. So let me press Ctrl plus P. As you can see, there is a printer option. Choose your printer. You can choose properties. You can find your printer, how much copies you want and many other options. This is used to print a document much faster. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.